Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I have to share with you these most adorable kid masks from XINYA BAO. They are the KF94. So these have 4 layers and they are still very protective. And what I love about them is that my son just loves all of the styles. So there are 6 different styles here of dinosaur masks. This is a 60-piece set. So check out all of these dinosaurs. They are individually wrapped. Here is another. So cute, right? Third one. Fourth. Fifth. And the last one I went ahead and opened up because I wanted to show you how it fit. I wish I could show it to you on him, but he absolutely loves them. He thinks they're very comfortable. They are very soft, which I think is so important for kids. He's 6 years old, but what's great about these, I'll show you what the inside looks like as well. And it has the nose piece, is that if you have a bigger kid, you can see that it would fit on your bigger kid's face. So check that out. It even goes around my chin. The nose piece fits like so and works like a charm. It's really easy to breathe in. The pieces that go around your ears are nice and stretchy and soft, and there's no gapping, and it's so cute and stylish. So if you are looking for masks for your kiddos, I definitely would recommend these, and that is my point of view.